Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and well, I think this is going to be a nice little gift, Christmas gift to all of you. I know a lot of you are missing the live shows on this channel. There will be a special live show Saturday, December 15th. Yes, we will have a live show. I will be there with Gabriel, my nephew, for those that know who he is. Not answering any questions, so don't ask me any tech questions. Don't even talk about PCs or computers. We're talking about Christmas. It's I'm doing this to just say thank you for being fans of my channel and following me. So it's happening Saturday, December 15th from a special location, and you guys will see I won't be at home. We've got this nice, really beautiful setup for the occasion, and I hope you guys will enjoy that. We'll talk about, Christmas stuff. We'll talk about maybe a little bit of, the year in tech, what was interesting, and just, have fun. Just talk about whatever comes to our mind and about Christmas. And if on that day you've got some nice Christmas memories you want to share, of course, you'll be able to share that with us. And so that's all happening Saturday, December the 15th, 2018. That's the special Christmas show. 22:30 UTC is equivalent, for those that wonder here, to 5:30 p.m. in the Eastern time zone of North America. So if you're on Eastern time in North America, on the East Coast, it's 5:30 p.m. I do realize it's a little late for you guys in Europe, but it's pretty much the best that I can do with the live shows for that Saturday, because at 2000 UTC, we'll have a 90-minute show on the shortwave channel. So that's the thing that's going to happen here. So hope you join us and have fun with us. We, of course, will try to entertain. And you're going to see, we're going to be a very, very nice location for everything Christmas. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.